In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and kind, whose kindness and sympathy are all over the world. After that, peace and blessings upon his beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who was sent towards the all creatures as a messenger and picture of Islam. My dear audience, today my topic is the beauty of my Prophet. Our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was most beautiful in the world. He was most merciful in the universe. He was most kind in the world. He was most handsome in the universe. None as was handsome as our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It's not only my faith, but the poet of the Prophet's quote, Hazrat Hassan says, وَأَحْسَنُ مِنْكَ لَمْ تَرَ قَطُّ عَيْنِي وَأَحْسَنُ مِنْكَ لَمْ تَرَ قَطُّ عَيْنِي وَأَجْمَلُ مِنْكَ لَمْ تَلِدِ النِّسَاءُ خُلِقْتَ مُبَرَّأً مِنْ كُلِّ عَيْبٍ خُلِقْتَ مُبَرَّأً مِنْ كُلِّ عَيْبٍ كَأَنَّكَ قَدْ خُلِقْتَ كَمَا تَشَاءُ. He says, our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was most beautiful, most handsome, most kind, most merciful, most graceful, most fair, most gorgeous, most good look. My dear audience, anyone can ask to Hazrat Hassan, "Oh Hazrat Hassan, we accept your judgment without witness, but other people want witness." They can ask, "Did you see the face of Hazrat Adam alayhi salam?" Your answer will be no. Did you see the face of Hazrat Zakaria alayhi salam? Replied no. Did you see the face of Hazrat Yahya alayhi salam? Your answer will be no. Did you see the face of Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam? Replied no. Did you see the face of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam? Your answer will be no. Did you see the face of Hazrat Isa alayhi salam? Your answer will be no. How can you ask? You prove that the Prophet is most beautiful than all messengers, than all creatures, than all human beings. He will tell, "Oh inquired person, let's follow me. Let's go towards the leader of angels name, Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam." He will tell you that our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was most beautiful in the world. He was most merciful in the universe. He was most kind in the world. He was most graceful in the universe. He was most handsome in the universe. None was as handsome as our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam says, "Qallabtu mashariq al-ardi wa magharibaha falam ajidu afdala min Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam." I saw all over the world, whole universe. I did not get any person as our Prophet, as beautiful as Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Then Allah Hazrat says, "यही बोले सिदरा वाले चमने जहाँ के थाले, यही बोले सिदरा वाले चमने जहाँ के थाले, सभी मैंने छान डाले तेरे पाए का न पाया, तुझे यक न यक बनाया, तुझे अम्द गए खुदाया, तुझे अम्द गए खुदाया." My dear audience, now I end up my speech on this word. वमा तौफीक इल्ला बिल्लाह. अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि तआला व बरकातहू.